Here in Michigan, this is the Mighty Flat River. It's one of its wider points. As you see, there's still a nice channel of water coming through in between the frozen. It's about 26 degrees out, and we got about a foot of snow last night. There's the great old American flag flying in the distance. That wind is bitter cold. I always like showing you guys the river because I was raised on it. And as you can tell, there's some water coming up on top of the ice. That's because it rained all yesterday. And the river's coming up. So, hope you guys keep on watching. Okay, here we are. I am cleaning up this corner, getting ready to put in some steel racking. I'm just organizing all the steel here. I got everything. Got it all. Everything you could think of, almost. But, yeah, just thought I'd show a little update here. Getting some of this stuff cleaned up so I can put this shelf back up and not have to worry about this whole corner. This is all the small heavy-duty stuff. C-channel and square stock and whatever. All sorts of different pins and pieces. And this one here is actually a PTO shaft from a John Deere baler. I want to say probably like a 24T or something. And these fence posts, I'm just going to take them right out of here. They don't need to be in the steel pile. They need to be in the fence post pile. So we'll get them all taken care of and start getting a bunch of this stuff back on the shelf. And I'm hoping I'm going to take all these waterers and put them right next to the steel stack here once I get it all nice and organized. And I'll keep you updated. Alright, here it is. Got me 3 different size compartments. One on the end is going to be the round pipe. I got a couple more of them. And then that middle one's going to be smaller stuff, and the end one's going to be bigger stuff. So, like, this is small, that's big. So, I'm going to stock it and show you guys what the end product is. I just did this up, it's firm as can be, so I'm not worried about it all falling apart on me, and I think it'll last a few years. So hope you guys like. I just did a couple of short boards. There's actually a board that was right here that went all the way up to there, and that's that one. So I actually repurposed some of the wood that was already in this area. So working out good. Hope you like. Okay, got everything organized. We got actual stacks of everything. So I can easily just pull this stuff out. I got all the flat steel that's not angle iron just sitting here. I only got about 5 pieces of that. And that there was a hitch to something, so I kept it. And these here are supports from a telephone pole that I just got. So they're in their prospective home. Anything that didn't fit in the rack, anything that's not angle iron is in the back corner here. So the only piece that's angle iron is that one, and it's because it's aluminum. So I got square stock, flat rectangle stock, round stock, thick round stock down there. If you look on it like this, they're actually in order, so Pretty pleased with that, and it only takes up almost just behind the door where the garage door goes. So it's all hidden right in here. It's not even close to how much it was. This is the free spot I got now, so I'm gonna clean this all up, get these baler parts out of here, and get them cleaned up a bit, and see what I can do about storing them baler parts. So I would like to take care of them. And then I have to get this shelf repaired, so we're gonna keep on trucking. Thanks for watching. Alright, back to the shelf project. Got the old one torn out. Instead of 4 boards, there's, I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 8 boards. So double what needed to be, but I've never seen that open my whole life. So gonna switch spots from where they were a little bit, but other than that, it's gonna be a nice new shelves here. So I'll keep you updated here once I get these stringers up. Sorry, it's a bit cold, so my nose is running. Get these stringers up. I'm gonna remake them and put up some of these shelves again and start putting some of this stuff back away, because we got a mess now. Not as big as mess as when it all fell over, but we're getting there. So hope you like a little garage working. Alright, got the new ones built. And gonna put the shelves on it, start putting some stuff on it. They're way more sturdy than what was there, so I have all confidence in what I did. I put 3 on the top, that's where it hangs from, and each one of these has 3 in it, 1 inside, 1 on each end, and then the cross members all got 2 and 2, so it's plenty strong. The next thing to do is put the boards on it and get some stuff on it, so we'll catch you when I get the boards on it. Alright, here we are. Got the shelves all cleaned up off everything. Got the corner all fixed up. Got the shelves rebuilt. They're not even sagging in one bit. I got probably, I don't know, at least there's even an engine down there. Probably got 150 pounds on this one shelf here. And up there I got a drill press and a bunch of other light stuff, not too much heavy stuff. But they're holding up good. Cleaned up the bottom, got a couple things. These things are just a pain in the frickin' butt. They're waterers I took out of a milkery, and I don't know, it's kind of a delicate situation, I don't know, weird. But there's the steel rack all in its place. I just threw that net in there because it's a good way to hold it, but got everything pretty organized, got a couple big chunks. And this is all cleaned up over here. So there's the shelves, and that's the end cap right there, boys and girls. Looks pretty good, I think. Grandpa's lasted for 40 or 50 years. I think we can make ours last that long. I got a couple old manifolds out of the river, so them are up hanging. I just thought that was kind of funny, and I got some stuff on the baler coming up, so we'll probably do a video sooner or later on the baler here in the next couple months, and might do a little video on that drill press underneath there. But there's the old Jeep. She rock and rolls. Thank you. Keep on watching, brother. the old Massey running. I went through and corked all the holes I could find in the frame. A friend of mine gave me a huge bag of different sized corks. So I went through and I corked everything I could find. Some of them already had corks in them, actually. That's what the book from the factory calls for, so no preventative maintenance. But yeah, pulled out the battery, took it home, got her charged up. I had a problem the other day, she didn't want to start. So I brought it home, charged it up, charged it, brought it back, got her fired up. And she seems to be running good. We'll let that run for a minute. I had a collapse over here. One of my shelves fell down. So I started reorganizing all this stuff. Trying to downsize and get some of it to where I can use it now. But I got some cool things in here. Right here is I got a whole extra set of knotters for the baler and various other parts. So I'm gonna go through that, see what else I can find. And then over there I got a blacksmith drill press. And I got a lathe next to that, and another drill press next to that. But I'm gonna work on these shelves here today. Maybe get some sort of thing built for this steel too. I'm gonna fire up the quad here in a minute. But just thought I'd show you guys that the tractor can start in 15 degrees. She's a runner. Got a bit of snow out here. Sold some wood. Made my rent payment. I just got this wood chipper. I'm going to pull that in, make some space today, and pull it in, get it dusted off, and try to get that going. I got it for free. Fella said it needs sharpening, so mess around with that. Thanks for watching.